Margarita. Born in Mexico around the 1930s, the Margarita is the world's most popular tequila-based cocktail. It traditionally combines silver tequila, orange liqueur like Cointreau, and fresh lime juice, famously served in a glass with a salted rim. Some say it was created for a showgirl allergic to all spirits except tequila. Whether served on the rocks, blended, or straight up, the acidic lime perfectly balances the earthy tequila. A classic, unblended margarita packs a solid punch, typically sitting around 26% alcohol by volume. Martini. Evolving from a California gold rush drink called the Martinez in the late 1800s, the Martini is the quintessential classic cocktail. A traditional recipe features gin and dry vermouth, garnished with either a green olive or a twist of lemon peel. While famously ordered shaken, not stirred, by James Bond, purists argue that shaking bruises the gin and dilutes the drink too fast, preferring it gently stirred over ice. It is notoriously strong, with a classic dry martini reaching a potent 36% alcohol by volume. Old-fashioned. Developed in the early 19th century, this drink actually predates the word cocktail itself. It is exactly what the original definition dictated: spirits, sugar, water, and bitters. Traditionally made by muddling a sugar cube with Angostura bitters and a splash of water, then stirring in bourbon or rye whiskey. Garnished with an orange peel or cocktail cherry, it's designed to enhance the whiskey, not mask it. Because it is almost entirely straight spirit, a standard old-fashioned hits roughly 32% alcohol by volume. Mojito. Originating in Havana, Cuba, the mojito's roots trace back to the 16th century, when sailors used a similar mix of ingredients to ward off scurvy and disease. This highly refreshing highball consists of white rum, sugar, fresh lime juice, sparkling water, and gently muddied mint leaves. The sweet, citrusy, and herbaceous flavors perfectly cut through the heat of Caribbean summers. Because it is heavily diluted with ice and soda water, the mojito is a lighter, highly sessionable drink at around 13% alcohol by volume. Moscow Mule. Despite the name, this cocktail was invented in Manhattan in 1941 as a clever marketing stunt to sell excess inventory of Smirnoff vodka and ginger beer. The recipe mixes vodka, spicy ginger beer, and fresh lime juice. It is famously served in a distinctive copper mug, which originally helped promote the drink, and takes on the cold temperature of the liquid, keeping it frosty. Thanks to the heavy pour of non-alcoholic ginger beer, a standard Moscow Mule sits at a mild 11% alcohol by volume. Whiskey sour. First written down in the 1870s, the whiskey sour was originally a sailor's ration designed to prevent scurvy while preserving liquor at sea. It traditionally combines bourbon whiskey, fresh lemon juice, and simple syrup. Many classic recipes also include an egg white, which is vigorously dry shaken without ice to create a thick, silky foam on top before being shaken again with ice. Balancing sweet, sour, and strong flavors, a standard whiskey sour generally hovers around 16% alcohol by volume. Manhattan. The Manhattan traces back to 19th century New York and quickly became a symbol of classic cocktail craftsmanship. Built on rye whiskey, it carries a natural spice that's softened by sweet vermouth and sharpened with aromatic bitters. The drink is always stirred with ice to maintain a silky texture and crystal clarity, then strained into a chilled glass and finished with a cherry. Deep, smooth, and refined, the Manhattan stands as one of the most enduring whiskey cocktails ever created. Bloody Mary. Bold and savory. The Bloody Mary feels more like a seasoned dish than a simple cocktail. Vodka blends with rich tomato juice, bright lemon, Worcestershire sauce, hot sauce, celery salt, and cracked black pepper to build layers of tangy heat and umami depth. It's endlessly customizable and famous for dramatic garnishes, from celery stalks and olives to bacon strips or shrimp. Designed to awaken the senses, it has become the undisputed centerpiece of brunch culture. Cosmopolitan. The Cosmopolitan became a cultural icon in the late 20th century, known for its vibrant pink hue and sleek presentation. Citron vodka forms the base, while orange liqueur adds sweetness and fresh lime juice sharpens the structure. A splash of cranberry provides its signature blush and crisp, tart finish without overwhelming the balance. Shaken thoroughly and served in a martini glass, it delivers a clean, citrus-forward profile that feels modern, stylish, and confidently composed. Long Island Iced Tea. Despite the name, the Long Island Iced Tea contains no actual tea. Instead, it blends multiple clear spirits with citrus and a splash of cola, creating the familiar amber look of iced tea. The flavors combine in a surprisingly smooth way, masking the intensity beneath. Served over ice in a tall glass, it became famous as a party staple and a quick way to elevate the energy of any gathering.